Hello people, welcome to another travel vlog. Yeah, so this video was done by World Connect. Yeah, so make sure to follow him on YouTube together with my big sister. Yeah, so she shows you around what happens in the village, how African food is prepared, and the kitchen where it is made, the African kitchen and the urban kitchen. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell icon so that you don't get to miss out on all the videos that I'll be posting. So guys, enjoy.
Yes, still about kitty rooms, still about the village life. This is how we cook. So, how do you manage this smoke? Doesn't it affect you to cook in the smoke?
Not really, we are used to.
You are used to it?
Yes, I was born here, raised here, so...
It doesn't look like you're from my village.
Really? This is where I come
skin
from.
tone and everything.
This is where I come from. This is my village. This is where I was born and raised from.
Oh,
yeah.
That's amazing. So what are you cooking?
So, right now I'm cooking cabbage. This is cabbage. You can see. This is cabbage.
Wow,
yeah.
it's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm cooking cabbage. I'm now adding some tomato.
Wow.
You've come late when I'd already started preparing it. I'm cooking some cabbage. I'm cooking meat. I'm gonna cook some meat. It's ready. The meat is already ready.
I can see the smoke is challenging.
Yeah, so this is meat.
Yes.
This is boiled. This is dry meat. It is bush meat. It is antelope meat. You know antelope?
Meat, eh?
Yeah. This is bush meat. Yeah.
So how do you get it?
We get it from the bush.
From the bush.
Just know it is a village. So here we have
village.
everything.
You can access everything.
Exactly. This is organic meat, organic bush meat. I also have some cassava.
It seems it has contributed so much on your skin, eh?
I know, right? Here we only eat organic stuff. Only organic stuff. Let me show you.
Yes, guys. But the smoke is about to kill me.
Please don't die. So here we have some cassava. This is cassava.
It looks delicious.
See?
Wow.
Yeah.
So we're going to eat with the meat, eh?
So we're gonna eat cassava, meat, and then we have some millet bread. I don't know how if that is how you guys call it.
Millet
in
bread.
English, yeah.
Posho.
Yeah, but millet.
Millet.
For millet, yeah, not posho.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is what we eat here in the village. We also have things that you people use in the city there.
Really?
Yeah.
Like what?
Like like Royco.
Okay.
This is Royco. You guys use it.
Which is mix.
Yes.
Wow.
We also have what? We also have other spices.
You even use oil. I used to hear that in village they don't use oil.
We actually rarely use cooking oil. We use moya. We call it moya.
What is that?
We get it out of shea nuts. I'm gonna show you when we get out. We have the tree outside.
Okay.
That will be later. Okay. So we also have these spices in the village, guys.
I thought it's only in town.
The city. No. We also have it here. We buy them. We also have it. You see? We also have these. Wow. We also have luxury life in the village, guys.
So can you rate village life and town life for us?
Oh my God.
If you had to rate it, which one is better?
For me, I think I prefer village life.
Why?
Because we have everything in the village. We actually have electricity in my village. Yeah. We have running water in my village. I mean, this kitchen. Later on, guys, I'm going to show you our other kitchen.
Really?
We have everything that...
We need to see that
everything
one. We are so
that
excited.
Town people have it there.
We are so excited.
So, guys, wait. I'm going to take you out of this kitchen. So this kitchen here, basically we use firewood in here. Okay. But we also have the other side that we use gas cooker, we use electricity. We have it all here, guys.
Everything
so
is
don't fear to come to the village. Please, guys, come to the village.
We are super excited to see your second what?
My second kitchen.
Yes.
Guys, wait, I'm coming over there. You're gonna love it. Guys, as I told you earlier on that we are cooking cabbage, meat, beans, we have varieties. So right now we are now going to paste our meat. So right here I have some peanut butter. This is we call it a D. Okay. We call it a D here. This is Ginat's paste mixed with a Simpson paste. So you see, this is how you do it. You put it on fire. Then you do what? And then you cook it. But then
you mix, eh?
English is finished.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow. believe you also have other viewers who are from the northern part of Uganda. Yes, so actually Moti Nerone, one wati Kitgum.
Okay.
Kabere Makiluani Dore, wati Tere Dem, wati Tere Deha, Makiluani, Le Makiluani Antelo, yeah, wati Tere. As an actually woman that I am, this thing is hot, you see? I can carry and put it back. Yeah, I'm a true...
Doesn't it burn your hands?
No, I'm used to.
Really?
So now I'm adding the mixed soup into the paste. Yeah.
Okay.
Then later on I'll add everything. So you see, guys?
It's almost ready.
Yeah.
How long can it take to be fully ready?
So it's going to take like 5 minutes for me to serve this. Guys, stay there.
Keep it
Wait to see this thing when it's served. Keep it locked there.
We
Yeah.
can't wait. We
Don't
can't
change
wait.
the dial.
Wow. So the food is ready.
Yeah, now we are done.
It's
So
time
guys, remember I told you that
Yes.
it's a lot of food, yeah?
Yes.
So here we have some cabbage. Yeah, this
Looks
is cabbage.
delicious.
Thank you. And this is cassava.
This is cassava.
Yes, boiled cassava with salt.
Wow.
Here we have some beans. This is beans. And this is the millet bread I was talking about. Wonkal.
It's called what?
Wonkal.
Konkal.
Yes.
Yes, guys, called konkal.
Wonkal, yes, yes. So this is
Whatever
here.
this
This is
is the
bush
meat.
meat. Yeah. It is pasted
Wow. That's really
with
amazing.
peanut butter mixed with sim sim.
I'm only saying food value. Carbohydrates. This one protein. Wow. It seems you
Yeah,
guys
here we
really.
eat well. You can just see from the skin. The skin
Exactly.
is skinny.
It says it all.
So guys,
Wow.
come to Kitgum and you get to enjoy all this.
Wow.
Okay?
We are waiting to see your.
My other kitchen. Yeah, we
Exactly.
are going there right now.
Wow. So beautiful, Susan.
Yeah.
You promised to show us your town,
Exactly.
your village
So-
kitchen.
Guys, let me now take you to mine.
Yes,
Village
that is the first village kitchen.
Yes, that is
Now,
the firewood
she-
kitchen.
the firewood
so now
kitchen.
We are going to the modern kitchen.
Yes, she has a couple of them.
So guys,
Let's
come in,
see. Thank you, Susan, for welcoming us.
so this is our house. This is
Wow.
our living room.
You even have a TV.
Exactly.
Wow,
Like I
this-
told you, we have electricity here. So this is our living room. So guys, come to my kitchen.
If I didn't
So
see the
guys,
hatches,
this
I
is my
wouldn't believe.
kitchen.
This is
As
your
you can
village
see.
kitchen.
Yeah, this is my village
Wow.
kitchen.
Guys, look at the cabins. Eh? There's no way this could be a village.
It is. We're actually in
Wow.
Kitgum, you see.
Kitty-gum.
So
So
I have
you even have
this.
a cooker.
exactly, this is my gas cooker.
So this is where you cook from
Yes, like when I'm on this side, when I don't want to use firewood.
when you are tired of the smoke.
Not really. I prefer actually using the firewood.
The
because
other one.
Food tastes better. It has
Okay.
some nice aroma when you use
Wow,
firewood. Yeah.
that's really amazing.
So you see,
It even has an
know.
oven. Look at the oven. Ah, you guys.
We have it all here, guys. So
Yes.
this is my cooker. This
Yes.
is my kitchen.
Look at
My
the
small
cabins.
kitchen, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you guys, we are in the village. We are in Ikitigun. If you don't believe, let me
Show them around.
let me show you. This is the place where we are, guys. This is the place. This is Susan's house. As you can observe. Susan,
Yeah, yeah.
how could this really be possible? Wow.
I have a garden. You
Yes.
guys want me to take you around?
Wow.
That's my garden there.
Mm.
I have G-nuts in the garden. Do you guys
Wow.
want me to harvest for you some G-nuts? Do you want to see?
We suggest
Do you want to see some fresh G-nuts from the garden?
you have fresh nuts.
Yeah,
Of course,
from the garden.
We believe you. We believe you, Susan, because we have really seen.
Yeah, so this is my home. This is my village.
That is your other house,
Yeah, that's my other house.
guys.
That's the main house there. It's
That's the
still
main
under
house?
construction. Yeah.
Wow.
But very soon,
Mm.
I'll bring you guys back.
You should
here when it's
invite us.
done.
You should invite us
For house opening.
for house party. Yes, please.
Yes, I'm gonna invite you guys.
Really.
So you see, we also have this kind of beautiful stuff here in the village.
This
I don't
is
know. I don't know.
Kitty guys.
Look at that house there. I really don't know. It's in the village. Like, people are saying, why did you build this
Big house
like this
in the village. Yes.
But this is home.
Yeah, home is home.
Home is home.
You have to, you work on home first before you can proceed with other things.
Exactly.
Yes, Susan, you are telling us?
Yeah, like I told you earlier on,
Yes.
I want to show you guys my garden.
Okay.
Like I told you, I'm in the village.
Let's
Some of
see.
you might not accept. So
Guys,
let's go.
let us go and see what Susan's garden has to offer. So far, everything has impressed us. Now, Susan, all this is your land.
You've not
Wow.
even seen it.
Really?
This is all my land.
Wow.
You can see behind that side and here.
Susan, what is this? What is this crop?
So I'm taking this one. This is my garden.
Yes.
Have you ever seen peanuts being uprooted? Have you ever seen
No,
it?
no.
So guys,
We'd like to see that.
we are gonna uproot peanuts right now.
Okay.
Let
Let's
me
see.
show this gentleman here. So you do like this while uprooting. You grab it all like this and pull it.
And pull it up.
And pull it up here. So this is it.
Peanuts are there.
So
Wow.
So this is how we do it. See guys, this is how we do it. So I'm gonna
Like
give
that.
you this.
Mm.
You take it to your Kampala friends, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so next time you bring them over to eat peanuts. This is all peanuts.
Let me take one and see.
Yeah, I can open and show you.
Yes, open for me.
So you see, this is our peanuts.
Fresh peanuts, guys,
Not
from
yet ready
Kitty
for
Go.
farming. We are going to start harvesting like next week. Yeah, that will be ready to
Guys, it's right there. Wow, let me test.
test.
Very
This is
fresh.
peanuts,
Very fresh.
organic peanuts.
Organic.
Well connect.
Thank you, Susan.
You're welcome.
Wow. Thanks for investing. Eh?
You're welcome.
Guys, I've learned one lesson from Susan's story. You have to invest home before you can invest anywhere else.
Yeah, people, so that has been it for the video. I hope you've enjoyed. If you've been watching and you've not subscribed, help me do so. Subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so that you do not get to miss out on all the videos that I'll be posting. Cheers.